Hey sleepyheads, spring is here. The days are getting longer, the weather's getting warmer, so make sure to stay inside all day and play with video synths. Speaking of video synthesizers, the Hypno is unfortunately still out of stock. Previous pre-orders should ship within the next few weeks, and a new pre-order round will open in April. We appreciate your patience. We recently launched Sleepy Chat, which is kind of like a Discord, but for sleepy stuff only. Come and join the conversation. If you have an account on our forum, you could sign in with the same credentials. I look forward to seeing you there. I recently released a new tutorial on how to connect an iOS device to the Hypno video input. Sure, it takes a lot of dongles, maybe even too many, but it's great fun once connected. It's awesome to have such a portable, familiar device to use as fodder for Hypno video processing madness. If you already have an iOS device and a Hypno, I highly recommend you check it out. A new free video pack is up on the Sleepy site. The new pack was created by video veteran Sean Venderez. The cubic primary color animations are addictively glitchy. Find out more information at the link in the description below. The winner of last month's Creative Hypno Challenge and the new owner of a Syntony CBV001 is Technomancer Jesus, with this beautifully synchronized visual that uses motion data to control music and visuals via CV. We had a record number of submissions and it was extremely difficult to choose a winner this time around. Congratulations again to Technomancer Jesus and to everyone who submitted their awesome work. We hope you keep it up for the next challenge. The Vernal Equinox just passed us by on March 20th. The northern hemisphere of the Earth has begun tilting towards the sun. This month's challenge is the Equinox Challenge. We want to see you hold a techno-ritualistic ceremony with your Hypno in honor of this momentous astronomical occasion. Post your submission to Instagram with the hashtag HypnoEquinox and @SleepyCircuits. Our judges will pick the visual that's most spiritually moving. The winner will receive a Chevy Equinox. I'm just kidding. We're going back to giving away t-shirts, but I want to take a moment to explain just how special this t-shirt is. It's reserved only for Sleepy Circuits employees and winners of the visual challenge. My wife, my friends, my mother, they keep asking for a t-shirt, but I say no. They're not getting one unless they win a video challenge. Okay, Mom? In other news, Sleepy Ron recently posted on the forum about Cryptovoxels, a massive 3D world with virtual art galleries and performance spaces. The vast size of the Cryptovoxel world is staggering, as is the price of buying a plot, which currently sits at about 2 Ethereum or $3,500 US. But there's plenty to do if you don't have a plot. Aside from exploring the massive world, there are also sandbox plots where anyone can build. There are galleries filled with audio, video, still images, live streams, GIFs, many of which are for sale as NFTs. You can interact with other users and even host virtual parties. Cryptovoxels is an interesting world and I look forward to seeing how it develops. Usually online multiplayer worlds like this are developed around social interactions or story-based quests, so it's awesome and, dare I say, even refreshing to see one built around art and music. NFTs are a seriously popular topic recently. I'd be remiss if I didn't mention that NFTs and cryptocurrencies in general have faced a lot of criticism lately for potential negative socioeconomic and environmental impacts. How do you feel about NFTs? Are they something you're interested in? Should Sleepy Circuits host a party in Cryptovoxels? Let us know. That brings us to the end of this edition of Sleepy News. Make sure to check out the links in the description for more info about the Hypno mailing list, the iOS tutorial, the RGB video pack, this month's challenge, and more. Like, subscribe, follow us on social media. Get involved on our forum, and most importantly, get some sleep.